Hey guys, my name is Olivia and today I'm going to be doing a how-to video, so let's get started. So today I'm going to be making simple but super fun mac and cheese. Alright, so the brand that I'm going to be using is Horizon. Now I'm just setting the stove to medium heat, and now I'm going to grab a large pan with curved edges to boil my water. And now I'm putting 6 cups of water in. Now I am just waiting for my water to boil. It's almost ready. Perfect. All right, now that the water is finished being boiled, I'm going to pour the noodles in, let them soften up in the water, and now I'm just going to stir it all together with this little spatula, and I prefer the rubber ones because you get a better grip. Then I'm going to drain the water. Now I'm done with my mac and cheese, and I'm going to see how it tastes. Oh my gosh, it is so good. Anyways, thank you so much for watching my videos, and give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below if you enjoyed this video, and if you want me to post more like this or any other ideas you have for videos that I could do in the future, or maybe even in a couple days. Also, smash that subscribe button right over there. Anyways, bye!